Hello kids, how are you? How are you बच्चा? चलो जल्दी जल्दी से ready हो जाओ. Get up fast for the warm up activity. Yippee! Get up fast बच्चा. Let's start with our stretching. Great job. चलो फटाफट. Stretch up, stretch down, stretch up, stretch down. Let's clap together 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch up, stretch down, stretch up, stretch down. Let's punch together 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch up, stretch down, stretch up, stretch down. Let's kick together 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch up, stretch down, stretch up, stretch down. Wave hands together 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. अब मैम और बच्चा खेलेंगे flip the head, turn the head. Okay. So I will be needing something. What can I take? I have this. Okay, diary with me. चलिए इससे करते हैं. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go. Switch. Out. You turn your head right or left, right? You have to turn your head, move your head down. Once more, okay? Second round. In 3, 2, 1, go. Ready, bacha? Pakka. Okay. Switch. All correct or wrong? This is a concentration activity, bachchu. This is a concentration activity. So you can play with any of your friends, family member, anybody, right? So let's just continue playing and growing. Okay. So what I was thinking that my kids know numbers very well. They know how to represent a number with the help of abacus, how to represent a number with place value model, how to name the number, how to read the number, what are digits, what are numbers on number lines, skip counting. We have done lots of things, right? But when we know numbers, this is the time to compare numbers, right? Let's suppose you have 5 candies, your brother has or your sister has 7 candies. So now who has more candies? Definitely your brother. If you know comparing, then only you will be able to know that he or she is having more than you, right? Otherwise you will be happy that okay, I also have candies, she also have or he also have candies, है ना? तो ऐसे तो आप भी खुश रहोगे, लेकिन जब आपको मालूम पड़ेगा कि अरे आपके पास 5 candies हैं and your sibling has 7 candies, आपसे 2 candies ज़्यादा हैं, तो इतनी चीज़ें तो पता होनी चाहिए ना. आपके साथ पार्शियलिटी नहीं होनी चाहिए कि आपके सिबलिंग ने आपको 5 दे दी और खुद 7 ले ली और आपको तो लगेगा चलो हम लोग कैंडीज़ खा रहे हैं, कैंडीज़ वो भी ले रहे हैं, कैंडीज़ मैं भी खा रही हूँ, तो हम दोनों हैप्पी. मेरे पास भी ढेर सारी कैंडीज़ हैं और उसके पास भी ढेर सारी कैंडीज़ हैं. इट्स नॉट अबाउट ढेर सारे, इट्स अबाउट काउंटिंग हाउ मेनी यू हैव एंड हाउ मेनी योर सिबलिंग हैज़, राइट? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर काउंटिंग. So, Mr. Counting, please come. Mr. Counting, please come. So, kids, today we will learn comparing numbers and quantities. Quantities in the sense, let's say for example, okay. So, let's say for example, Which combination has more Legos? This is quantity. It has 1, 2, 2 Legos. 1, 2, 3, 3 Legos. So the Lego combination on right hand has more Legos. This combination has more Legos, right? So quantities means something, something. So we will understand comparing things as well as comparing numbers. हम comparing things भी सीखेंगे और comparing numbers भी सीखेंगे. After this you will have a deep idea. आपके साथ कोई cheating नहीं कर सकता है. Whenever there will be a distribution, you will be able to count and check whether you have more proportion or less or equal. Okay? Okay. So, okay. She is, just a second. She is Ahana. Hello, Ahana. Ahana, say hello to kids. And he is Ahan. They have some balls. Now tell me how many balls Ahana has and how many balls Ahan have. And who has more balls? We have to compare who is having more balls. So we have, how do we do so? We will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, bacha? Here we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. He has 12 balls and Ahana have only 8 balls. So who is having more balls? Definitely Ahan. Ahan is having more balls. Right, bacha? Ahana is having just 8 balls. Only 8 balls. And Ahan is having 12 balls. So who is having more balls? Ahan is having more balls. Okay, next question. We have, okay, let me clear this board. Okay, we have some birds in group A and group B. Okay, now we just need to think who has more, which group has. Okay, before this, just a second, bache, we need to focus on these signs. Okay. Comparison symbols, we can say. Comparison symbols. Okay, so this is like a mouth. You can say a mouth of alligator or something, or the scissor only. Scissor in the position to just cut something. Okay, and scissor cuts. It cuts something, so for cutting it needs to open its mouth, right? Or the alligator. So this is alligator, और alligator को क्या पसंद है बच्चा? ज़्यादा amount पसंद है, हाँ? It loves eating more. So alligator loves eating more. So let's suppose it is 48 and it is 20. So which one is greater? Obviously 48. So we will open the mouth of alligator where the bigger number is. So mouth is open. Now it will grab that number, the bigger number. It will snap that number. Okay. So let's suppose, and if it is not eating the number, that means that number is smaller. So which one is greater here? This one. And which one is smaller? This one. So we use generally these 3 symbols when we compare anything. This is for greater, this is for lesser, and this is for equal. Greater than, less than, and equal. When 2 things are equal, then there will be equal sign. There will be an equal sign. And if it is smaller, say smaller means mouth not opened. Mouth not opened if the number is towards closing of mouth, not opened. it will be the smaller. If the number is towards open mouth, in front of open mouth, it will be the greater number. Great job, bachche. So if I say 25 and 16, which one is greater? We will open the mouth towards 25. Simple, opening the mouth. Okay, bacha? Opening the mouth towards greater number. We will eat the greater number of candies. It could be anything, candies, greater number of cupcakes, greater number of berries. It could be anything. Okay, so we have to take the greater one. So if we want to take greater one, we have to open our mouth wide. जब हमें बड़ी सारी चीज, बड़ा सा लड्डू खाना है तो बड़ा सा मुंह खोलेंगे, है ना? छोटू लड्डू खाना है तो छोटा मुंह खोलेंगे. So we have to open our mouth wide, okay, to eat the bigger thing. So here also, just open the mouth wide to eat the bigger one. Okay, bacha? Okay, now let's come back to our lesson. So here we were. Right? Here we were. So what we have to compare here, we have to compare number of birds. So let's check number of birds in group A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have a total of 12 birds here. Right, bacha? Now let's come. Come and just count birds this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. The group B also have 12 birds. So there will be the equal sign. There will be the equal sign because both the groups have same number of birds. Right, bacha? Both the groups have same number of birds. So what we'll do? We will apply an equal sign. Simple. Okay, bacha? Now, okay. Next is, let's go to the next slide. Okay, here we have two groups of toy cars. We have two groups. So let's suppose this is you and that one is your sibling having number of cars or toy cars. Okay, bacha. Now we have to check who has lesser number of cars. Kam cars kiske paas hai? Who? So A has 1, 2, 3. There are 3 toy cars, right, bacha? Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. B has 6 cars. So who is having lesser number of cars? Obviously 3. So what the sign will be? Sign will be this. Bigger to greater, opened towards greater and smaller side mein closed. Okay, bacha? Closed towards smaller sign. It will always be closed towards smaller one. Fine? Okay. Pakka understanding? Understanding, bacha? Hopefully you will not be having any problem understanding this. Right? Okay. Now, let's start comparing. That was about quantity. Now we're going to compare numbers. Okay. When we compare numbers, it's very important to label their place value. You all know what we do. We just write 2. T-O-2. Right, bacha? We just write 2. T-O-2. Now, when we compare, we always need to compare the leftmost. We have some rules for comparing the numbers. How do we compare, bacha? We start from the leftmost digit. That means the 10th digit. If it is a 2-digit number, and you all have the number till 2 digits only. So when we compare a 2-digit number, we have to start from tens place. Tens place. We will compare the digit tens first and then ones. We will never start from ones. Okay, bacha? We will always start from tens because 10 is greater than ones. So we will start from the greater one. Tens always. Start from tens always. When comparing the number, start from tens place. Comparing the number, start. I'm trying to just make a melody song. चलो एक song बना लेते हैं. Comparing the number, start from tens place. Comparing the number, it's easy. Start from tens place. Sing with me. Comparing the number, it's easy. Start from tens place. Comparing the number, it's easy. Start from tens place. Again. Comparing the number, it's easy. Start from tens place. Comparing the number, it's easy. Start from tens place. Tens place. Tens place. Comparing the number, it's easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Start from tens place. Right, बच्चा? ओके, अब इस सॉन्ग को आप पूरा कंटिन्यू रखना. आज कल परसों. Comparing the number, it's easy. Start from tens place. Comparing the number, it's easy. Start from tens place. Comparing the number, it's easy peasy lemon squeezy. Start from tens place. ओके, तो चलो अब स्टार्ट भी तो कर देते हैं बच्चे. सो लेट्स सपोज दिस इज यू और ये आपका सिबलिंग या फ्रेंड है. नाउ यू आर, आप ये दो सोल्जर्स हैं आपके. यू आर सेंडिंग 2 and he is sending 3. They both will fight. Tell me who will win. Tell me who will win, bacha. Definitely this one will win, right? So this number will be the greater number. If the number at tens place is greater than the other one, that number will be the greater number. We have not to check the ones digit. We have to concentrate on tens digit. अब मैम थोड़ा सा इसका बेसिक आपको बताएंगे. So for that one, now listen. Whenever we comparing the number, start from tens place. So if it is 23 and it is 61, okay, so what we do, we will start from tens place. Tens ones. So this is 2 here, this is 6 here, 2 and 6. Which one is greater, bacha? Which one is greater? Definitely 6. So this whole number will be greater. This whole number will be greater. So rule number 1 says comparing the number, it's easy. Start from tens place. Rule number 2, if a number has more digits, it will be the greater. If the number has more digits, it will be the greater. So showing you, writing it here. Rule number 2. Rule number 2 says a number with more digits, a number with more digits will be the greater number. Number with more digits. Let's say for example, obviously without example it will be incomplete. If it is 2 and it is 18, okay, it has 1, 2 digits. it has only one digit. So which one is greater, bacha? Which one is greater? The number with more digits. It has 2 digits, it has 1 digit. It has 2 digits, it has 1 digit. Even if I say this rule comes first of all check number of digits. If number of digits are same, then switch to comparing tens place. So let's make this the rule 1. Rule number 1 is comparing number of digits, checking number of digits in a given number. If a number has more digits than other one, it will be the greater. That means rule number 1 क्या कहता है बच्चा? अगर हमारे पास 2 नंबर्स हैं और एक नंबर में सिर्फ 1 डिजिट है और दूसरे नंबर में 2 डिजिट्स हैं, so this number is having 2 digits, means more digits, so this will be the greater. If it is having 2 digits but it is having 3 digits, it will be the greater number. The number with more digits will be the greater number. Okay, the number with more digits will be the greater number. Okay, now let's switch to the lesson. This is rule number 2. Comparing the number, it's easy. So start from tens place. Okay, now let's switch to the next question. And I just want to see how many of you can do this question. Do this question fast, giving you just 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have to start comparing from both the numbers have 2 digits. This is 1, 2. This is 1, 2. Right, bacha? Both the numbers are having 2 digits. So what we will be doing, start from tens place. 7 and here it is 2. So which one is greater? Definitely this one. So this whole number will be greater. Now tell me, how many of you have answered 72? How many of you have answered it 72? Great job, bacha, great job. Okay, so now what I'm doing, in next video, we will learn more on the same topic, comparing numbers and quantities. Till then, just have fun and learn. Stay safe, stay healthy and keep learning with me and math. Bye-bye, bacha. Bye-bye. And also continue your brain development activity, okay? Brain gym every day. Bye-bye.